Bandits NHL Early Bird Special for Wednesday, November 9th. NHL Early Bird Special. Start your day with a winner. Carolina versus Florida. NHL Wednesday, November 9th. Bandits Early Bird Special. Be sure to subscribe. Click the bell icon. It's good karma for you. Check out Bandit's Early Bird and Late Night Special college basketball for today. Carolina versus Florida. Money Bandit playing NHL. Carolina minus 104 on the money line. Carolina minus 104 on the money line. Bandits Early Bird NHL Special. Monarch Mandate, king of the 1 minute videos. Making you money in 1 minute. 100% free. Money out. Choo 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 choo.